टू दिस चैनल, दिस इज़ द स्टॉक अपडेट। सो आज का जो स्टॉक सिलेक्शन है वो है ग्रेन्यूल्स फार्मा सेक्टर का स्टॉक है। मॉर्निंग में फार्मा सेक्टर में एक डाउन साइड में ब्रीच हुआ था और वो फेल हो गया। मतलब जो सेलर था, स्ट्रॉन्ग सेलर था, उसने यस्टरडे लो को ब्रीच किया था डाउन साइड में, लेकिन वो फेल हो चुका है। और इसका जो स्टॉक है ग्रेन्यूल्स में एक अच्छा खासा मोमेंटम है अप साइड में, जैसा कि ये आप देख रहे हैं। एक अच्छा खासा मोमेंटम अप साइड में है। सो यहाँ पे एक पुल बैक का हम वेट करेंगे, स्ट्रगलिंग पुल बैक। और जब यहाँ पे अगेन आके रिसेंट स्विंग हाई पे जब सस्टेन करेगा, फिर यहाँ पे एंट्री करेंगे। सो लेट्स सी, this is the market update. This is the simple execution on the buy side as per the setup. So what is the setup? So this is the breach out and sustaining to the above, and this is the struggling pullback. So this is the big meal initiation, unable to make the lower low further rise, and this is the range. Why the range formation? The simplicity, the buyers are buying over here and sellers are selling over here. That's why the market in a range. So it is breaking range and now going to the upside. So we'll see how it is performing. Stock selection, so we'll hold till 1:5, otherwise we'll exit at the time of 15.15. So let's see how this is performing. Thank you. So welcome to the channel. This is the post analyzing. Time is 10:16 और डेट है 12 मई. So in the morning we have selected the stock granules from the pharma sector. Why did we select the stock? The only reason, in granules, this is the upside breach and sustaining to the upside, and in a pharma sector open and breach to the downside but failed to sustain the below yesterday low. That's why we have chosen the stocks, and we have, as per the our strategy, when we got the better price, I'll show you where we have entered. So simply we waited for the better price, and as we got the better price, we take the entry over here, and our stop loss was the here. So we make a profits by today, and this is the 1:1. So we'll have to be implement on the next trade. And what is the strategy? Very simple strategy. Markets open and breach yesterday highs and making and sustaining the above yesterday highs. We got the better price, and we take the entry over this side and make some profits. Will have to be implemented. What would be the implementation? So very simple. We'll have to be do a early entry as per the our system. There should be the entry, but we enter over here. Okay, it's all right, no problem. Will be implemented by tomorrow. So thank you very much for watching this video.